Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to create a community in Reddit, you've come to the right place. So how to create a community? You have an option here, just on your left. Click on create a community. Create a community name, for example, I don't know, your community, and write a description about for friends and guests. Now you need to click on next. You can add a banner and icon. So just simply click on add, choose icon, choose your banner, and go next. So now you need to add a topic for your community. So it's a lot of topics. So, for example, I will use music topics just for video. And now we can choose what kind of community is this. Is this public, so everyone can join it? Is this restricted, and you choose who can join your community? Or is it a private community? Also, you can choose is it mature or no mature community. And that's all. You just click on create community, wait a little bit, and your community is ready to use. That's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.